Hey guys, so today we are roughing in a residential single family dwelling or a residential house. I just wanted to give you some pointers before you get started on types of material and outlet spacing. So when you go to the store to buy outlets, this box is a 23 cubic inch box. The difference in price between, this is the largest box that you can get for new work, that's standard, and the difference between this and the smaller boxes is 5 cents a box. Now, if you have more than 2 12-2s coming into a box, you're going to need this size anyway. So for 5 cents, I go ahead and put the big boxes all the way around the house. It's 5 cents and it's going to save you failing inspection and coming back around. Now another thing I want to point out is how far apart do your outlets have to be, right? That's a common question that we get, is how far apart do the outlets need to be? So my advice in that situation is to put your outlets at 6 foot. And what I mean by that is on this back wall right here, you will see one outlet. Well, the reason is because the room is less than 12 foot wide. So no matter where you put something on that wall, you can reach an outlet within 6 foot. So this wall here was 14 foot. Well, instead of putting 3 outlets here going 6, 12, and then in the corner, I spaced them evenly across that 14 foot. So I divided 14 by 3 and I put my outlet at the first 2 measurements. And that's going to save you some boxes. Common misconception is that you need an outlet every 6 foot. That kind of is correct, but you need a device to be able to reach an outlet within 6 foot. So really, you can be 12 foot apart on your outlets and still be code. Because if you put something dead center of those outlets at 12 foot, you can reach an outlet within 6 feet. So don't put too many outlets. I mean, you can never have too many outlets, but when you're doing this and you're trying to do it on a budget, remember that you can be 12 foot from outlet box to outlet box and still be up to code. So first thing, make sure you get the biggest boxes. They're only 5 cents more. And second thing is, don't be afraid to put your outlets 12 feet apart. That's going to save you money, and that's all that's required by code. So as we go through and we rough in this home, we will give you some pointers along the way as to where you should put things. But this video is for how far apart do you space your outlets and which boxes do you use. So hopefully y'all find this useful, and be on the lookout for multiple videos on roughing in a residential home or a single family home or single family dwelling, whatever you want to call it. This is a home for one family, and we're going to show you how to rough it in. So y'all be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave us a comment. If you got any questions at all, there's going to be a series come out about this, but if you have any questions at all, feel free to ask. I just picked up this DX pencil. It's got a changeable lead. This is what we're using to do all of our marking out today. And this thing has replaceable lead. The lead is thick. So it works just like a regular lead pencil. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus here. Come on, camera. All right, well, my camera's not going to focus. There we go. So yeah, it's a DX Tough Carbon pencil. I'll put a link in the description, but it works just like a regular lead pencil. You push the end and the lead comes out. And then there's a sharpener. This hole you see right here. That hole that you see right there in the end, that is a sharpener. Also, to mount our boxes, we are using the Irwin high-speed, high-velocity hammer. I like this hammer a lot because it has a large milled face. It's got plenty of grip. This is a great hammer, low vibration, reaches in spots nicely. And we're also using the Racketeers phase tape measure. This tape measure is magnetic. The whole tip is magnetic, not just those just those magnets, but the whole metal blade is magnetic, the whole tip. It's an auto stop, so you push the button to release. But it is also color coded for you commercial guys. So it's got all your circuit colors, black, red, blue, black, red, blue, black, red, blue, and you can substitute that for brown, orange, yellow. So black would be brown, red would be orange, blue would be yellow. But anyway, stay tuned, be on the lookout for more residential wiring tips and how to rough in a residential home. Thanks for watching, y'all have a great day.